You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals -2/11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Add 3y to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2/11 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals -2/11.